Hello, and welcome to our channel where we explore everything. Today, we're excited to dive into a new series that will take us on a journey of creating an automation app for Odoo with a node-based user interface. If you're new to this topic or haven't watched our previous videos about creating a node-based user interface, please visit our channel to get started. Understanding the basics of Node UI is essential to grasp the concepts we'll be discussing in this series. Let's dive into the core concept that powers our automation app. Each node represents a process, which can optionally have inputs and outputs. This simplicity is what makes our framework so powerful and flexible. On top of this core concept, we need to create additional conventions and rules, a framework, if you will, to execute the automation. Our framework consists of automation flows. We document each flow in a separate entity, which we call it as a flow. This flow serves as the blueprint for our automation. A flow contains interconnected nodes, where each node represents a process. These nodes can be connected to form a sequence of actions. We have two special types of nodes. Start node, the entry point of the flow, marking the beginning of our automation. Trigger node, an optional node that triggers the execution of the flow when activated. When a flow starts with a start node, it executes the next connected node and continues until all nodes are completed. If a flow contains a trigger node, the trigger node will initiate the execution of the flow. Every flow must have one and only one start node, and optionally one and only one trigger node. With this framework in place, we can now leverage our previous experiments with Odoo, a node-based user interface for Odoo, to create our automation app. In upcoming videos, we'll cover the technical aspects of creating this app and provide hands-on experience to get you started. That's it for today's introduction to our series on creating an automation app for Odoo with a node-based user interface. Stay tuned for more details on how to build your own automation app using Nuado and Odoo. We'll explore the technical aspects of creating this app, including designing flows, implementing nodes, and integrating with Odoo. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who might benefit from this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on all my experiments and tutorials. We'll see you in the next video.